Hey guys, welcome to my apartment tour. Sorry about this voiceover and sorry about this part. I forgot I had to fob myself back in. It's the first time I've ever had a key fob. But this is my 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Right now, I don't know what I'm doing, shutting the door probably. Right there is my laundry room and my coat closet. And I'm showing you where my bedroom will be and my bathroom. And then here's the guest bathroom and me. Sorry this is so vague, it's only because I am going to give you a better tour when I actually decorate it. I just wanted to get an empty one up to show you what it looked like empty. It's a very beautiful, beautiful unit. The whole building is beautiful, which I'm sure you'll see throughout videos in the next year. I had to cut this part out because it showed you exactly what building I lived in, and I didn't want to give out that information. But here's my view, and this will be my office. I'm sure you'll see a lot of clips in this room. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to create content here.
They say God gives his toughest battles to his strongest soldiers. And what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And as much as anyone can say how invincible I seem, or how fearless I am, or how brave I must be, I'm still human. And I've seen things, and I've felt more pain than some will in their entire lives, all before the age of even being able to buy a drink at a bar. But I have to be strong. Not for myself, but for a greater purpose. Because I feel like my duty is far beyond me, you know? Beyond saving my family. It's for the world. Because somebody out there really needs to hear this. So, to anybody that isn't here to see how far I've gone, or how far I've yet to go, to family members that didn't make it, or friends I lost along the way, or maybe someone I gave my heart to that didn't know what to do with it, you should be here. You should be here. You should be here. You should be here.